welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? So today we are going to be playing and doing a review of the conspiracy palette. So I finally got my hands on my conspiracy palette. I'm so happy. I have been having a little bit of a play with it, so I am sure you have watched a million videos already about reviews on this palette. I have done some swatches and had a little play already, but this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So the main colours that I've been playing with are these ones on the top row, just because they're the colours that I would use more regularly than the others. But today we're going to have a little bit of a play with the other colours and do a review. I'm going to do a few swatches for you so you can see what they're like. But from what I've been playing with so far, it is amazing. The texture is just so creamy, it's unbelievable. So I'm going to do a few swatches for you guys. So the first colour I'm going to swatch is this yellow just here, because there's been a little bit of a controversy about it, so we'll dive right in. Whoa. Now I would say that's pretty pigmented for yellow. I don't know how it'll perform on the eye. I don't really use yellows, so I've got nothing really to compare it to, if I'm honest. I'm going to go for Trisha, which is this colour here. That's what it's like on the finger. And it's got a slight shimmer to it. Whoa. Now, these are very, very pigmented. The next colour I'm going to show you is My Pills. Now this, so far, has been my favourite colour from the palette. It is just such a nice, like, pinky nude transition shade. It doesn't really come off on camera very well, but I've been using this for the last week and it's just amazing. Like, it literally mixes with near enough every single colour on that on that top row, and it's just beautiful. And then I'm going to show you Diet Cola, and this is like a shimmery silver colour, and I'll just swatch it here. Look at that shine. So I'm sure most of you have seen loads of swatches of these already, so let's go and make a look with them. So I am not a makeup artist, by no means am I a makeup artist, but we're just going to have a little play and see what look I can create with this palette. So then guys, I put my ears on. Excuse the foundation on them, that is disgusting, I really should wash them. I have primed my lids, so whenever I do an eyeshadow look, I always use the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion, and it's like a primer, and I've always used this and it's never served me wrong. So let's go into the palette. So I'm debating on what kind of colours to use. I want to really go for colours that I would never really wear, so I think we're going to start off with this colour here, which is called Not a Fact, and it's a beautiful, like, dark aubergine sort of colour. I'm just gonna pop this on the corners of my eye. Wow. Now I know some people had some problems with this shade, but the pigment I'm getting off it, that's a lot of colour. That is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm actually finding it quite easy to blend. So usually when I use dark colours, I find them hard to blend out, and I find that they go a little bit patchy, but with this one I'm not actually finding that. The shade, I think I'm gonna go with My Pills, and I'm just gonna soften the edges out of that with that colour just there. blended so nice. The My Pillow shade, like I said, I'm slightly obsessed with because it blends perfectly with near enough every colour in that palette. So next I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This is amazing. It comes with a little brush, but for me it just adds, it just puts a little bit too much on my eye. So I'm just going to use a brush and put my cut crease in. For something completely different, something I would never ever do. So looking at the colours, I'm gonna go with this colour here, which is What's the Tea. Now I've never paired purpley pinks with blue before, so I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm just gonna pop that in my outer corner and see what that's like. So I'm just gonna dive into that with this brush here. There is quite a lot of fallout on this shade. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see how it does. Oh, did you see that? There's a lot of fallout. Let's see how it performs. Them two colours, the purple and the blue, are blending so nice together, and I really didn't think they would. Into this shade, which is Not a Fact, and I'm literally going to use the tiniest bit and just blend them two together. So all the colours I've used so far have been matte colours, so I want to try out a shimmer shade. So I'm going to go in with that Diet Cola because I want to see if it's that blinding when it's on the eye, and I'm going to pop that in the inner section. I'm just going to use this brush Shade Out from the Beauty Bay. I'm going to try it without a setting spray first to see how it performs, but then if we need to, we can always go in with a setting spray. Whoa, we don't need no setting spray here. Whoa, I don't know if that's coming off on camera how blinding that is. I'm really just packing it on with this brush and it is unreal. I'm taking it right into the corners of my eye and just blending it into the other colours. The next shade I'm going to pop on is the Pigment shade. I absolutely love the little pig on that. It's so cute. And I'm just going to run this underneath my eye. I don't usually do that, to be fair, but I thought I want to try as many of the colours that I haven't used yet. And we're just going to pop that. Whoa. That colour is so pretty. So I'm not going to run it all the way underneath. I'm just going to do it like 3/4 of the way. It surprises me. It doesn't surprise me because it's Jeffree Star. But every single colour that I've used, they've all just blended perfectly together, and the pigment has definitely paid off on every single colour. Then last but not least, I'm going to use the shade Ranch, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on my brow bone just to give it a little bit of definition. I've always had problems with white shades because I just don't feel like they perform very well on my skin. However, this one is looking lovely. So I did tap a lot of that off, to be fair. Let's go in and not tap. Whoa, okay, yeah. It's definitely there. So guys, I'm going to put some eyeliner on and some eyelashes, and I will be back to tell you my overall thoughts and the finished look. I have finished this look off with some eyeliner. I used the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip for my eyeliner in Weirdo, and then I put some tatty lashes on. These are the Emma Mitchell ones, and then I just finished it off with a nude lipstick. I used the Can't Relate lipstick, this one just here, from the Jeffree Star range. I am so impressed. Like, I'm usually quite scared to go for colours that are a little bit out there. Like, I would never go for a purple and a blue or like pink, just because that's not my sort of style. But these made it so easy to work with and blend that I would be tempted to do something like this again. I usually just stick with nudes because you can't really go wrong with them. Whereas with these colours, because they blended so easy, I'm not as scared anymore. I know that sounds really weird, but I'm just so impressed with all the formulas. There's not one I've used so far that I've thought, this is a bit rubbish, which is really rare in a palette. Usually you have the odd colours that just don't perform like you want them to do, but so far I'm so impressed with it. So then guys, that is it. That is my review on the Jeffree Star featuring Shane Dawson palette. I hope you liked this look. I hope you liked this. It's not even a tutorial, is it? It's just a review. But if you want to see me do more videos like that, drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Alright then, thank you. Bye!